Power transfer automatically car charging while moving on road project. From this project, we can save metals like aluminium, coal and fuel. The World Wireless System was a turn of 20th century proposed telecommunications and electrical power delivery system designed by inventor Nikola Tesla based on his theories of using Earth and its atmosphere as electrical conductors. Wireless power transfer WPT is the process where electrical energy is transmitted from a transmitter power source to a receiver through induction coils between air gap. These coils produce an electromagnetic field which sends energy to a charging base station transmitter to a coil on a portable device receiver with complete galvanic isolation. The receiver coil takes power from the electromagnetic field and converts it into electrical power. You need two coils, a transmitter coil and a receiver coil. An alternating current in the transmitter coil generates a magnetic field which induces a voltage in receiver coil. This voltage can be used to power a battery. Wireless transmission is useful to power electrical devices where interconnecting wires are inconvenient, hazardous, or not possible. Wireless power transfer technology reduces the use of electric wire which is made of copper and aluminium metal. The metal which are used to make electric wires will extinct in future. The spinning of electrons around the nucleus of an atom creates a tiny magnetic field. The electrons in most object fields spins in random directions and their magnetic forces cancel each other out. Magnets are different because the molecules in magnets are arranged so that their electrons spin in the same direction. These arrangements and movement creates a magnetic force that flows out from a north-seeking pole and from south-seeking pole. This magnetic force creates a magnetic field around a magnet. If we put two north pole or two south poles magnets together, then they will repel each other. But if we put north pole and south pole magnet together, they will attract together because we know that different poles attract each other and same poles repel each other. Just like protons and electrons, opposites attract in magnetic fields and pull and push electrons. Metals such as copper and aluminium have electrons that are loosely held. Moving a magnet around a coil of wire or moving a coil of wire around a magnet pushes the electrons in the wire and creates an electrical current. So with the help of this project, in coming era, electric cars will be more in use. And if we are using electric cars, we will have to charge them repeatedly every day if we are using them. So instead of charging them regularly, we can use this concept of wireless power transfers. Through this project, without wire, we can charge these cars while moving on road with the help of induction heat and magnetic fields. This project, I have made a road from cardboard. In this road, I have attached two batteries. This is the positive end and this is the negative end of battery. In this battery, I have attached switch. This is Z44 MOSFET and this is the LED that will indicate that the circuit is on. Now, this is the transmitter coil which will gather or decode information and give it to receiver coil. This is the first end of transmitter coil. This is the second end of transmitter coil and this is the third end of transmitter coil attached to Z44 MOSFET. In these connections, I have also used 1K OHM resistor at the third base and 1K OHM resistor at the first base. Now, this is our electric car. In this electric car, I have attached a receiver coil which will take information and display it for indicating that the battery is charging. I have used here this LED. This will indicate that the battery is charging. Now in this LED I have attached rectifier that I have made using 4 diode and 1 capacitor. I have attached 4 diodes and 1 capacitor to make a rectifier. This will help the car to charge sooner. Here is no battery source from which the battery will charge. When we will on this switch, this LED will on, that will indicate that the circuit is on. Then we will put this car on road. This LED will glow, and this LED will indicate that the battery is charging. When the car is moving, this LED is on, means it is showing that battery is charging. This LED is charging without any wire connections. Thank you and have a nice day.